Learning journey. Dive into adverbs of place. Hello everyone, and welcome to our exciting English learning journey. Today we're going to focus on an essential piece of English grammar, adverbs of place. These are words that tell us where something happens, and they're a crucial part of speaking and writing accurately in English. Adverbs of place, as the name suggests, provide information about where an action takes place. They answer the question, where? They can refer to a variety of places, such as a specific location, direction, or distance. Examples of adverbs of place include here, there, inside, outside, upstairs, downstairs, nearby, everywhere, north, south, east, west, far, near, and many others. Let's get down to understanding the usage of these adverbs. These words typically come after the main verb or after the object of the sentence. For example, she is studying upstairs. I found my keys there. Remember, adverbs of place are flexible and can be moved around in the sentence for emphasis or style without changing the core meaning. However, the position can sometimes subtly change the focus of the sentence. Understanding is great, but practice makes perfect. Here are a few sentences for practice. 1. He went outside to play football. 2. I will meet you there. 3. The cat is hiding somewhere in the house. 4. The birds are flying south for the winter. 5. The dog is sitting here. Try to create your own sentences using adverbs of place and leave them in the comments. Even though adverbs of place seem simple, there are a few common mistakes you should avoid. One mistake is confusing adverbs of place with prepositions. Remember, adverbs of place stand alone, while prepositions require an object. For example, in the sentence, he lives near is an adverb of place. But in, he lives near the park, near is a preposition. That's it for our video on adverbs of place. I hope this lesson has shed some light on this fascinating and practical aspect of English grammar. As always, keep practicing and don't forget to create your own sentences with adverbs of place and share them with us. Thank you for joining us today, and see you in the next video.